Let's make an online appointment with your UCSD student health provider. Log into your MyChart account. The view in this video is from a desktop. The one on your phone will look similar, and the icons will be identical to what we show here. Go to the 3 hash marks, the menu tab. On your phone, this will be in the center of your screen, just below your picture if you have one. A drop tab will appear, and you want to click on Schedule an Appointment. You want to scroll down until you see SHS Primary Care Visit. It's almost to the end of the list, so keep scrolling down until you find it. You will then get COVID screening questions, and hopefully none of this applies to you. It will then ask you if the issue is urgent. If it falls under any of this criteria, please call our office or go to urgent care. No appointment needed to be seen at urgent care, and we are open 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. most days. Let's say you want to be seen for acne. Click on Skin Problem. And then continue. You will then see a list of providers. We recommend picking an assigned primary care provider for continuity of care. But we understand that sometimes you want to be seen by the soonest provider. I'm going to click on Dr. Lamar, continue, and all of his open slots will appear. Pick one that is most convenient for you. The insurance information we have on file will appear, and you can verify this. You will then verify your appointment by giving a short description. I will type acne follow-up. Click on the green bar, says schedule it. On your phone, this will appear at the bottom of your screen. Now you have made an appointment. Please arrive at least 10 minutes prior to your appointment. This will allow time for your vitals to be taken and for you to answer questionnaires that might be added. There might also be a line to get into the building with COVID screening. If you are coming in from off campus, please plan time to look for parking, as we currently do not have any parking for appointment visits. Now, to view your appointments, you go to the Visits tab. On your phone, this will be on your home screen. You will be able to see all of your student health appointments. This is also the place where you can cancel your appointment. Click on Cancel an Appointment, give a reason, and confirm cancellation. Please cancel all your appointments at least 4 hours prior to avoid any cancellation or late fees. Hope this has been helpful.